So if your soil is moist like this, you don't have to be watering it always. You understand? I repeat our number 080-633-45443. Make plans to come to our farm to learn the practical aspect of snail farming. Make plan to bring somebody, to invest on somebody. You may not be the one that will learn, but just try and invest on somebody to come and learn. You can sponsor somebody to come and learn. And I also advised mostly those young people to try their possible best to come to our farm to learn this practical aspect of snail farming. So if you are a school owner, if you want to help your pupils, you can do well to enroll them in our training in their leisure time. It can be a part-time. You can just introduce them to our farm so that they will learn. So that, because the way Nigeria is going, things are becoming very expensive. Things are becoming expensive in terms of agricultural products are becoming expensive. So you viewing me, you just have to set up your own farm so that you can sustain yourself, you can sustain your family. So you don't have to rely on one source of income. Snail farming can be done as part-time job. It can be done as part-time job, but what you just need is you just have to take care of them very well. And once you take care of them well, they are good to go. They don't disturb you. They don't smell. You understand? They don't take much of your time. You can just come here about it will not be enough to how many minutes we have finished what we are doing. Just feed them, take care of them, look at them, and that is all. So thank you very much for viewing this video. Come to our farm for practical training. Do well to share this video. Please share this video to your friends. Share this video. I will really appreciate if you share this video to somebody and encourage someone to invest on snail farming. Thank you very much. I remain my humble self, Taboy Brave Ibimaboy, CEO, Brave Snail Farm Production. Thank you for viewing. See you again. Bye.